Did you ever think you meant for a bigger purpose? And by bigger, I mean something just bigger. You know, Anthony, what are we doing today? It's like it's on me. Like I know what I should be doing today. I just can't tell. Just can't tell.
Well, this just came in the mail today.
What you got? Oh, what does this say, Anthony? It's a T-shirt.
I don't know. I didn't read it. I can't read it.
The D team. What does that even mean, Anthony? I don't know what that even means. What else you got?
Too.
What?
This thing.
Magnum Research, the D team. Something bigger in purpose in my life. I think you know what that means. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Battery of Arms. I am Doug. This is Anthony behind the camera, and today we have something extraordinarily cool for you. If you know what this is already, Magnum Research, my shirt, I'm practically giving you the freaking answer here. But quick unboxing. Open the box up, paperwork, but we don't care about the paperwork, instructions. This is what we came here for, everybody. The Desert Eagle in 50 AE 6-inch barrel, ported barrel, 7 rounds of how you doing. This thing is on my bucket list of guns to own one day. Magnum Research did send us this, just so you know. I did not buy this, but they sent this to us to test and shoot and just have a whole bunch of fun with it. So today, we all know what Desert Eagle is. It's an amazing, fun gun. We're gonna shoot it, blow things up, and just have all kinds of fun today. Anthony, what do you say about that?
I say it's time has come.
Do you wanna go shoosting, little girl? Yes, I do. Let's go shoosting, yeah. All right, everybody, so this isn't a real review because we've all seen the 50 cal Desert Eagle shot. This is just another fun video. But I do have to show you something. This is 300 grain 50 AE. This is the guy you don't have to worry about. This is you. This is 9mm. Look at the difference. It's crazy difference, huh? So we're just gonna shoot this thing for right now. First time. I shot one twice. It's been a while. We'll just get the initial. It's like riding a bike. It's like not riding a bike. It's like trying something for the first time again that you really love to do. And I love this gun. Ready?
Yep.
You gotta mean it.
Let's swap sides. Look from here.
So I'm just gonna shoot off in the distance. I'm not too worried about the target right now. I just want to shoot this thing. Are you ready?
Yep.
Woohoo!
A concussion from here. I feel the concussion right behind you.
Woo! I don't remember that.
I wasn't expecting that either.
Wow!
I'm standing like right behind you, off to your right. I
That
can feel it.
was amazing. In the movies, when they shoot this thing like easily, I had death grip on that thing, and it was a push. It wasn't really snappy. Look at this. It's just so freaking awesome. So my next thing before we get into fun stuff, I'm gonna go 10 yards away, and I'm gonna shoot 3 shots at the center of will. All right, so with this Desert Eagle 50 AE, I have 3 rounds of 300 grain Underwood ammo, full metal jacket. I'm gonna aim for center of will and see how accurate I can be with this thing. It's just fun. It's just, remember when you load it, you gotta mean it. This is not a toy. Well, debatable. Ready?
Yep.
3 shots, center of will. Here we go. Oh, I missed. You see, you're expecting the recoil. I know it's more accurate than that, but you gotta shoot this thing. This thing's awesome. Let's go look at the holes in the paper. No, there's not too many things you can shoot. You can stick your finger through 50 caliber holes. That's some serious firepower. Yeah. What do you think, Anthony? You want to try it?
Yeah.
Let's go shooting some Anthony's.
All right. Fuck. No, that wasn't great.
Ain't no 9mm, Anthony.
I know.
Mean it.
Oh my God.
There you go. Alright, so here's Anthony. First time ever shooting a 58E Desert Eagle.
All right. Oh yeah, that is tough.
Not too bad, right?
That's actually not bad. I mean, it feels like you're just getting whipped in the face
The concussion.
by
is
the
what gets
concussion. Like you can feel like it's pressing down on my nose a lot.
you. Yeah.
And the guy takes your breath away a little bit if you're not ready.
So, how'd you do? You see my shots are there too? Well, he's not having a good day.
No. I wasn't exactly aiming, I was kind of more shooting.
So give me your initial thoughts on the Desert Eagle.
It's one of those guns that you just need to have because you just want one.
And you gotta carry it.
You gotta carry it. But you need to have the wallet for it.
Yeah.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10 Anthony's.
9 out of 10 Anthony's.
Alright, so he has the microphone on right now. This is Larry.
Yeehaw.
So,
What's up? My name's Larry. Just chilling, man. Here to shoot my first Desert Eagle.
see, Horry County is gonna go with these for their new service weapons.
Yeah. Everyday carry.
Alright, let's shove it up in there and make sure you give it a good rack. First time shooting.
Not too bad.
Not as bad as you thought it'd be, right?
No.
Do you feel that concussion in your face though?
Yeah.
It's like a, ooh.
Not too bad.
What do you think? The police department gonna get them?
No.
No? Freeze, scumbag!
How you gonna explain shooting somebody with that thing?
They had it coming, I guess.
But
Alright, so first time shooting it,
yeah.
first time on the channel. By the way, this is his land, he lets us use it. So everybody
Yes,
will
sir.
say thumbs up. Get us to 10,000 subscribers so I can get paid more and give him a suppressor.
Hey, I appreciate it.
So now we have 300 grain Hornady XT hollow points, and we're gonna shoot our gel block here at point blank range with our slow motion camera, aka my cell phone, and we're just gonna see what kind of expansion we get. You ready?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna hit record. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Ready?
Yep. It went through.
Yeah, it didn't slow down at all. I don't think. Let's see.
That's awesome.
There's a wound track right there. Finger test. Oh, yeah. Look at that hole in the ballistic gel. The extra hole is probably actually smaller, but you see it shed the jacket, parts of the jacket. Look at that. That's a gnarly wound channel. Let's see if the slow motion worked. We have a couple things we're going to do with this Desert Eagle before the sun falls on us. We got a stack of 10 books over there, which kind of gets me thinking about another video idea for this is what will happen to home objects, regular objects, see what it'll go through, what it won't go through. But for now, we have a stack of 10 books, 300 grain XTP hollow point on the Desert Eagle. You ready? We're gonna see how many books it goes through.
Just spun it around.
All right, let's see. I hit right here. One book.
I think it's a little too tight. Oh.
Two.
Oh wait. Oh, I went through 3.
And went through 3.
Like 3.5. Oh, it's still there.
Let's see. There it is.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's hot. It went through about 3.5 books. And there you have it. A smushed 50 AE. Now, that's leading up to a different idea I have. Everyday objects. Will it 50 AE, right? Will it 50? Now, for our finale, let's shoot some reactive shit. Alright, so our final shots, we're going to shoot at some reactive targets. And I have 4. I think I'm going to be able to hit everything. 300 grain XTP Hornady 50 AEs. And reactive targets, this is what I'm guessing. Least to most. And then we'll give you my final thoughts on this beast. Ready for this?
Yep.
Cabbage! Nobody likes cabbage!
Cabbage!
Goodbye, cabbage. Not really too reactive.
Not very.
Cantaloupe!
A little more.
I got hit with cabbage.
Although I'm not gonna like that watermelon. I would have stepped back a little more.
Smells good over here, though.
It does.
Watermelon! It smells fruity over here. Alright, this one. You get a can of corn sponsored by Food Lion.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored by Food Lion. I had to buy it. Ooh. Oh. I was wrong. It smells like corn over here. Oh. I nicked it.
Oh, you didn't even hit it.
I didn't even hit it. Well, guess what we're doing?
No more corn. It was just raining corn.
Corn.
Oh my God.
If you've watched Battery of Arms at all, you know we can't leave things intact. I got a lot of cleaning to do later.
Oh God. There's corn raining down.
That shooting is very corny. Alright, maybe for some creamed corn. Alright, so that does it for the shooting on this video for the Desert Eagle 50 AE. Probably the most recognizable gun ever made other than 1911. You know what this gun looks like, you know what it is. Super fun video. I think whatever this thing's it costs,
It's a noble sacrifice.
It's worth it. Who doesn't want a Desert Eagle? Larry, do you want a Desert Eagle? Yeah. See? Everybody wants a Desert Eagle. And if you want to see us shoot this more, watch this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, and all the other happy stuff that I always ask you to do. Even Anthony's asking you to do it.
Please.
See? You can't refuse that face. It's a face only mother could love. Got a face for radio. So, as you can see, we have obliterated most of our targets. This is kind of gooey. But, nonetheless, it was a very fun video. I'd like to thank Magnum Research for sending us this to try. Because without them, we wouldn't have had this gun on the channel. If you want to see us do anything else with it, let us know in the comments down below. If you'd like to see us do anything else with the Desert Eagle or any other ridiculous gun, let me know. What do you think, Anthony? Is there anything else that you want to say?
I said we haven't seen the last of the Deagle yet.
No. Always room for the Deagle. Lee, thank you so much for watching Battery of Arms. But you can't wait to see we pull it better next time. Pigeon Flip Flop. See you later.
all the